All right, this is chapter 1.3, page 19, and I'm doing number 17 and number 21. And for this one, it says that we're finding the midpoint. So find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment with the given endpoints. So when you're trying to find a midpoint, the coordinates, you're basically using the midpoint formula. The idea is that you're trying to find midpoint x and midpoint of y, and then when you find both x and y, you want to put it together in this form right here: um, x1 y1 or xy. Now what you want to do is that here's the formula for x. So to find x, you get x1 plus x2 divided by 2. To find y, you take y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And let's look at number 17. So this is number 17. So here I have the point. This is x1 y1 and then x2 y2. So if I plug it into the formula for x, then I would have 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 divided by 2. That is, this is x1, this is x2 divided by 2. And what do I get here? This is 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So your x is equal to 5. Now you need to solve for the y. So make sure you solve for both the x and the y. Well, the formula is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what you want to do, y1 is 5 plus y2. What does this look like? It looks like what is that? A 3 maybe. No, it's actually a 5. Alright. So 5 plus 5 and then divide by 2. So that'd be 10 divided by 2. Y is equal to 5. So once you find the x and the y, you just want to plug it back in to make it in the format of the green in this format right here. So x1 is what? The first x is 5, the y is 5 as well too. So the answer is right here. 5, 5. That's the midpoint. Now let's move on to number 21. So for number 21, let me just put the right the I'll put it down here. Number 21, and I'm just gonna write down the points so I won't forget. -8, -7, and the other point is 11, 5. So you want to go back to the formula, make sure you remember the formula, and to find x. So what is the formula to find x? Is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That's what x is equal to. Now let's look for it. Well, this is x1, x2. So I'm gonna do -8 plus, because this is a plus, positive 11 divided by 2. This is equal to 3 over 2. So x is equal to 3 over 2. Now you need to solve for the y. To solve for the y, you same thing. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And this is y1, this is y2. So -7 plus a 5 divided by 2, I get 2 over 2, and it's a negative, and this is equal to -1. So I have my y equals to -1. Now just plug it back into into the point form, which is x is 3 over 2 and y is -1. And um, let me erase that part right there. And this right here is your midpoint.